You're exhausted but can't fall asleep. You wake up at 3 a.m., mind racing. You've tried everything, sleep teas, blackout curtains, even expensive supplements. So why are millions still tossing and turning every night? The real cause isn't what you think. Can your food have something to do with it? Welcome to Levitas. Have you tried any of these nutrients? Tell us your favorite in the comments and how it helped you sleep better. Causes of poor sleep. Poor sleep isn't just frustrating, it's a red flag. Most people think the issue is just stress or too much screen time, but the causes of sleep problems run deeper. One major culprit is blood sugar instability. If you eat high-carb meals at night, your glucose spikes and crash during sleep, waking you up with a surge of cortisol. Another key factor is circadian rhythm disruption. Staying up late, exposure to blue light, and irregular bedtimes can confuse your brain's internal clock. Also, gut imbalances play a role. If your microbiome is off, your gut can't properly produce neurotransmitters like GABA or serotonin, which are needed for rest. Inflammation, nutrient deficiencies, and even hidden infections can sabotage your sleep. According to a 2022 review in Sleep Medicine Reviews, chronic inflammation is closely linked to insomnia and fragmented sleep cycles. The bottom line is, sleep isn't just about what happens at night, it's the result of your entire day, from food choices to stress to gut health. Understanding the root causes is the first step to restoring deep, natural sleep. Want to burn fat and build muscle faster? I created a free science-backed supplements guide to boost your energy, fire up your T levels, and ignite your metabolism. No fluff, just results. Download the free guide now and start your body transformation today. Link in the description. This is how metabolic men optimize their stack. 1. Vitamins that help sleep. Certain vitamins play a crucial role in promoting healthy sleep patterns. Vitamin D is essential for regulating melatonin production and circadian rhythm alignment. Low vitamin D levels have been associated with sleep disturbances, particularly in people with insomnia. A 2020 meta-analysis in Nutrients linked vitamin D deficiency with poor sleep quality and shorter duration. Vitamin B6 is another vital nutrient. It's a cofactor in the production of serotonin, which the body converts to melatonin, your primary sleep hormone. Without enough B6, your brain can't produce sufficient calming neurotransmitters. Vitamin C is also important due to its role in reducing oxidative stress and supporting adrenal balance, both of which affect your ability to fall and stay asleep. Lastly, vitamin E helps protect brain cells during sleep and enhances the quality of REM sleep, which is critical for memory and mood. When these vitamins are lacking, sleep becomes lighter, shorter, and more fragmented. Whether through supplements or nutrient-dense foods like salmon, eggs, and leafy greens, prioritizing sleep-supportive vitamins can profoundly improve your nightly rest. 2. Minerals that help sleep. Minerals are foundational to deep, restorative sleep. Magnesium is perhaps the most well-known sleep mineral. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, calming the body and helping muscles relax. A 2021 study in Journal of Research in Medical Sciences found that magnesium supplementation improved sleep quality and reduced nighttime awakenings in older adults. It also supports GABA activity, the brain's primary inhibitory neurotransmitter. Zinc is another underrated mineral for sleep. It influences melatonin metabolism and plays a role in regulating the sleep-wake cycle. A 2020 study published in Biological Trace Element Research showed that higher zinc intake correlated with longer and more efficient sleep. Calcium is involved in the production of melatonin as well and helps with muscle contractions and nerve signaling during sleep. In fact, calcium deficiency has been linked to restless leg syndrome and nighttime cramping. Potassium assists with staying asleep by regulating neuronal excitability and minimizing muscle spasms. Without these essential minerals, your body can't maintain the calm, relaxed state necessary for deep sleep. That's why a mineral-rich diet, including nuts, seeds, meats, yints, leafy greens, and seafood, is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to improve sleep. 3. Melatonin. Melatonin is a hormone your brain produces in response to darkness, and it's central to regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Contrary to popular belief, melatonin isn't a sedative. It doesn't knock you out. Instead, it signals to your brain that it's time to wind down and rest. Unfortunately, artificial light at night, particularly blue light, suppresses natural melatonin production. According to a 2021 article in Frontiers in Endocrinology, even just 30 minutes of blue light exposure before bed can reduce melatonin levels by up to 50%. While melatonin supplements can help, especially for jet lag or shift work, overuse can desensitize receptors and create dependency. It's more effective to support your natural melatonin rhythm through habits like sunlight exposure in the morning and reducing screen time at night. Additionally, nutrients like magnesium, B6, and tryptophan are essential for your body to create melatonin. Melatonin isn't just about sleep initiation. It also has antioxidant properties that protect your brain during the night. Supporting melatonin naturally means better sleep and better long-term health. Low energy, belly fat, weak drive. Most men eat 5 foods that quietly destroy T levels. My free guide shows you what to avoid and what to eat instead to reclaim your health, strength, and metabolism. Backed by science. Built for men. Download it free now. Your body will love you. Link in the description. 4. Amino acids for sleep quality. Certain amino acids are essential for synthesizing the neurotransmitters that regulate sleep. Tryptophan, an amino acid found in turkey, dairy, and pumpkin seeds, is the precursor to serotonin and eventually melatonin. Without enough tryptophan, your brain can't make the chemicals that trigger sleep. Glycine is another powerful sleep amino acid. It lowers core body temperature, helping the body transition into deeper sleep cycles. A 2015 study in neuropsychopharmacology showed that glycine supplementation improved sleep efficiency and reduced fatigue the next day. GABA, although a neurotransmitter, can also be supplemented in amino acid form. It reduces neuronal excitability and promotes calm. Theanine, found in green tea, enhances alpha brainwaves, which are associated with relaxation without drowsiness. This makes it ideal for those who struggle with anxious thoughts at night. Taurine modulates GABA receptors and supports magnesium uptake, creating a synergistic effect. When combined with a balanced diet, these amino acids can dramatically enhance your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. They work by fine-tuning your brain chemistry, helping you shift out of stress mode and into a restful, restorative state. 5. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, play a crucial role in brain health and sleep regulation. DHA in particular is abundant in the brain and influences the release of melatonin. A 2019 randomized trial in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that children with higher DHA levels experienced better sleep efficiency, longer duration, and fewer wake episodes. Omega-3s also reduce inflammation, which can interfere with sleep quality. Chronic inflammation elevates cytokines that disrupt the hypothalamus, the brain's sleep control center. Additionally, omega-3s help regulate dopamine and serotonin pathways, improving mood stability and reducing anxiety, 2 common culprits behind insomnia. Low omega-3 levels have been linked to higher risks of sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, and sadness-related insomnia. Fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich sources, while vegetarians can turn to algae oil. Including omega-3s in your daily routine doesn't just benefit your heart. It helps regulate the neurochemical and inflammatory pathways critical for restful sleep. Combined with a healthy sleep environment and stress management, omega-3s form a powerful part of any holistic sleep strategy. 6. Adaptogens. Adaptogens are herbs and natural substances that help the body adapt to stress and maintain homeostasis. Chronic stress is one of the biggest enemies of sleep, often leading to elevated cortisol levels that keep you wired at night. Ashwagandha, a traditional Ayurvedic herb, has been shown to lower cortisol and enhance sleep quality. A 2020 randomized trial in Curious found that participants who took ashwagandha for 6 weeks experienced significant improvements in sleep onset latency, sleep duration, and perceived restfulness. Rhodiola rosea helps regulate the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, which controls the body's stress response. It also supports mental resilience and reduces fatigue. Reishi mushroom is another powerful adaptogen that promotes relaxation and enhances deep sleep stages. Adaptogens don't work like sleeping pills. Instead, they modulate your stress response throughout the day, making it easier to unwind at night. They're especially useful for people who feel tired but wired and can't calm their minds before bed. Used consistently, adaptogens can restore hormonal balance, reduce stress-driven insomnia, and promote a deeper, more natural sleep without sedation. When combined with a nutrient-rich diet and good sleep hygiene, adaptogens are a game-changer for long-term sleep health. Want to become a high-performance machine? Track your supplements, sleep, hydration, and fat-burning habits, all in one simple tool. This daily tracker keeps you consistent, focused, and results-driven. Download it free now and start operating like a metabolic pro. Real results come from what you track. Link in the description. In conclusion, sleep is deeply influenced by your nutrition, hormones, and stress levels. From vitamins and minerals to melatonin, amino acids, omega-3s, and adaptogens, your body holds the keys to better rest. Restoring deep sleep starts with supporting your brain chemistry, calming your nervous system, and fixing the root causes naturally. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated. It helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.